And so I said to myself, I said, have my ragamuffins ever run a lemonade stand where they actually had to roll the lemons in order to make them nice and soft and juicy before squeezing out the juice, like I did as a little boy in the Caribbean? Well, there is a young lady, her name's Hazel, and the thing about Hazel is Hazel doesn't do anything halfway. Once she gets excited about something, she just goes into it full bore. It's going to be incredible. And quite frankly, one day she got a little bit carried away. So the thing I'd like to pay attention to today is converting units in the metric system. Now, the thing about the metric system is that the number 10 is magical. We're going to be looking at going from milliliters to liters. And so let's follow Hazel's situation here to find out how she manages herself. So Hazel wanted to make lemonade for her lemonade stand. And she got so excited that she squeezed more lemons than she needed. The recipe asked her to squeeze 2.0 liters of lemon juice, but accidentally, she squeezed 2.375 liters of juice. So the question is, how many milliliters of extra lemon juice did she squeeze? And also, being that each lemon produces about 30 milliliters of juice, how many extra lemons did she actually roll and squeeze? So we know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Milli means 1,000th with the TH. So that's 1,000 times or 10 to the third times as large a number, even though it's the same amount, of course. So here we've got 2.375 times 10 to the third power, which means I move my decimal point over 3 places. That will produce 2,375 milliliters. When I subtract 2,000 milliliters, I make sure the unit is the same. That gives me 375 milliliters of extra juice. Being that each lemon produces about 30 milliliters of juice, I'm going to have to divide 375 by 30. Let's use some long division here. So 375 is the dividend divided by 30. 30 goes into 37 one time, leaving 7. When I bring down to 5, 30 goes into 75 twice, being 60. That leaves 15. Since I still have a remainder, I'm going to add on or annex a 0, not changing the value of the dividend. When I bring it down, 30 goes into 150 5 times exactly. That gives me a quotient of 12.5, which, when I round to the nearest whole lemon, I get 13 lemons. Quite frankly, I'm going to need to have an extra lemon to get that 0.5. So I've got about 13 lemons extra that poor, dear, sweet, overexcited Hazel has rolled and squeezed in order to make her lemonade. I really hope that Hazel just crushed it and sold all her lemonade for $5, $6, maybe $10 a glass and really made some extra money. I hope you can appreciate the fact that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter, and that by multiplying the larger number, the larger unit, liters, by 10 to the third power, I simply had to move the decimal point over 3 places. At that point, I did my division, and then I rounded to the nearest whole to get 13 extra lemons. I hope that helps. And Hazel, I hope you stay excited about all your entrepreneurial adventures. Okay, bye.